Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see a topic sign. First of all, we should know what a meaning is. A definition for the word meaning is implicit in the idea of a communication channel. Readers should note that we say a definition, not the definition. We do this because there are several possible definitions, no one of them any better or worse than the others, and the concept of meaning has many aspects which cannot be dealt with all at once. At the moment, we are concerned only with the meaning of a sign, and the best way to think about this is to say that is what a sign does. A sign is a physical mark or event that carries information, and we have already seen that information is kind of instruction to select. Consequently speaking, in biological terms, we can say that the meaning of a sign is a kind of response to a stimulus. Of course, it depends upon the relationship between sign itself and the response which it evokes, and this relationship is a matter of degree, a scalar difference, which can be observed from the point of view in the nature of responses to a given sign or set of signs. For instance, if we tell a person in a room to shut the door and he does shut the door, then we can say from our observation of his doing so that he has completely understood the message and also understood the sign from which it is assembled or which he used to assemble it when he understood what we said. If, however, his response is to open the window, then we can assume that the signs have no meaning for him. But in either case, we should have to establish that what he did was a matter of fact in response to our request and not independent of it. Let's take another example. The marks or grade given to candidates in an examination can illustrate. In preparing for the examination, the candidates have been learning the use of a code, a part of one, that is, they have been learning about the information which the sign of a code convey and the rules for their use. They have been learning how to make appropriate choices. If all the signs had complete meaning for all the candidates, they would all presumably gain 100% of marks when they came to answer the examination questions. The fact that this rarely happens shows that not all the signs of a code have equal, complete meaning for all the candidates. Those with the higher marks are those for whom the sign of a code have more meaning than for those with the lower marks. The scale of marks gained by different candidates is a sort of measure of the amount of meaning the sign of a code have for them. It is a valuation of their responses to a set of stimuli. In the use of very large codes, there can of course be many points on the scale of meaning which the code and its use have for different decoders. Thank you.